Okay, welcome to American Dream Garage. I'm standing in front of my Alfa Romeo GTV 2000, 1974. As you can see, it's sitting a little high in the front end. That would be because that it happens to be missing the engine and the transmission. I will play a video where we took it into the shop to have an assessment done on it. Had some work done on it years ago to improve the synchros. Grinds going into second gear. In a car like this, you cannot have that. Anyway, the synchros were bad, and the repairs did not address it, so they had to pull the transmission to do that. I had them pull the engine also, which would allow me a chance to do some detail work on the car. So this will be kind of the first segment. What I'd like to do is go through and do a ground up type restoration on this. And now with the engine out, it allows me a lot more flexibility to be able to do that. So we've got what is cosmetically a very nice car. The engine itself runs well. There's some other things that we're going to try to do to it to make it more, the fuel injection, I have it, but it had Weber carburetors on it. We're going to try and revise the Weber setup to make it more like a European car, as well as some other things to improve the functionality and the driving of the car. Probably some new wheels and tires. These are, I've been told, wheels off of a Spider. So we'll probably look to get some Alfa wheels for it, and then we'll probably be done. So I will attach the assessment video to this video, and then we'll do additional videos as we progress and we get it up on a lift. Okay, so welcome to American Dream Garage, and welcome to, I'm going to call it segment 2, the Alfa Romeo restoration. A disassembly, basically. Obviously disassembled already, the engine and transmission, but I've been working on disassembling all the other basically relays, wiring, making sure to label everything. I took plenty of pictures, got the fuel pump out, got the accelerator linkage out, got the hood latches off. So everything really but the brakes, steering, and the horns, which I need to get out from underneath. So I'm going to go move it over to the lift, and to where I can drain the brake fluid, and we'll get that off, and then get her cleaned up. And I think the paint's ordered, probably be here next week. So anyway, give you a little shot of where we're at. So doesn't look too terribly different, although again, all the relays, fuel pump, all the hood latches, the accelerator linkage, has all been removed. I've got a couple wires that have some secondary connections that, and then I'll be able to pull all those wires out of the way and probably rewrap them. And so that's where we're at. Thank you.